Welcome to Ferryhill Cars. As described in the other video, Ferryhill Cars is a semi-ancient open water woodland. We're going to go for a quick walk around and hopefully this will give you an idea of what to expect when you come. Come down the cars, from my knowledge, there's no direct route. I've only just walked along here and a little bit further along and it just seems to come to a halt, but there is options to go higher, so there's always steps. Every so often you'll see steps going up. There is some old history when you go up. I was up there last week and I saw the remains of what must be an old train line or something like that. If you know, comment, let us know. Now, just because I mentioned it's open water doesn't mean you can go swimming. Got to be careful. It will be quite deep. Don't take any chances. So you can go further along there, but again, from my knowledge, it does just come to an halt near the cemetery, I think it is. So you will have to come back. Hope you've enjoyed these few clips. Hope it's gave you an idea of what to expect.